Well, this is me printing off and signing 66 pages of yacht documentation paperwork before I go get it notarized, just after we've picked up our rental car and right as we're packing to leave. We have got a car we hope is big enough to take all of this gear and this gear and the things that are already being packed in. Oh, there's a bag. Can't forget that. And it's already getting full.
Oh, I can't latch this.
Hey, we got it in. Allison packed it all in there. And we are ready to hit the road for the Great Loop. Ready?
No trouble.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, we are.
We are packed in here. And
taken
we are
months.
taking off. We're gonna have a little prayer for safety and leave. Okay, what are you doing there? What are you pulling out of your mouth? Explain it.
Yarn.
Yarn. Because you decided to put all your yarn clippings from your knitting inside our
the can
of our drink. Gross. Yeah. It's gross, huh? It's like drinking hair. Little hair there. Here we are in Wyoming.
Oh, man.
Where the buffalo roam.
Look at all those cows.
We made it about 5 hours and we wanted a nap. But we resisted and drank a Monster Energy. Alright, so we're in Nebraska in a Kentucky type rainstorm at 2 in the morning, and it's hard to see anything. Okay, we're in Missouri. This is Allison's bed last night. How was it?
I hurt from here down.
Yeah, 3 hours of the rest stop. Good night's rest. Okay, and a massive lightning and rain and thunderstorm.
Here we are. Wow, can't say it as well. Kansas City, Missouri. Big old city, and then we get to go across this really cool bridge. I don't know what river we're crossing. And go Chiefs for all you Kansas City Chief fans. Okay, here we are at the visitor center at Liberty Jail. We took a little bit of a detour off of our normal route and thought we would come over here, and we're trying to have our Zoom class of our Institute class with our West Africans, and then we're gonna take some pictures inside, or actually we're gonna take the computer inside to show them a little bit of the Liberty Jail, because it's unlikely they'll get to see it. Okay, there's the St. Louis Arch. Gateway Arch it's called, and it's a national park, so we're going to stop. We're here in St. Louis. Here's my picture where I'm at the Gateway Arch National Park. Here it is, it's huge. Oh, river. Here we are, this bridge, crossing the Ohio. They call it the Ohio River. Now we're heading into Kentucky. Day 3, we will be in North Carolina. This is the city of Louisville. Westerners call it Louisville, but here they say Louisville. And it's just a industrial river town, kind of like Memphis, Tennessee. Very similar.
Okay, we're packing the car up. The last time we were in North Carolina, and we're driving over to the boat. Okay, We are arriving at the marina to get on the boat for the first time since we bought it. And we're getting ready to load it with all of our stuff. Here it is. Currently relief valve, soon to be changed to Love Me fender. Say hi. Hi. Okay, here we go.
It's a quick tour of our home for the next year. About our little table. I don't know what all this foam stuff is he left. That turns into a little bed. And our TV, cabinets. Here's the galley. Tiny little galley, but double sink. Stove, oven. This is our fridge under here. Pretty small fridge, so we brought another one. The helm, where Ed will spend most of his time. Go down here. Here's the guest room suite. Bunk beds. And the head. Pretty spacious actually for a bathroom. And then our cabin called a bee berth. So here's our home. Except we can go out here, and we can go to the front of the ship. I will probably spend a lot of time out here. We do have a bow pad that goes there. Ugh, got lots of spider webs. We're gonna have to do some cleaning. Here's the marina, that's beautiful. And then quick little upstairs. Okay, here's our upstairs home. It's our little dinghy. And then a little table and pads that we can put out here and hang out up here when we want.
All right, it's is it the 17th?
It's the 18th.
It's the 18th of July. We're on the boat. Look at this mess. All of our gear. There is no room to sit or anything yet. Even outside here, we got the spare fridge, we got scooters, bins. So we got a lot of work to do, but we've taken 6 carts worth of stuff from the car, and we're gonna take a rest because it's over 90 degrees and over 90% humidity. It is hot.
Even my eyelids are sweating.
We like the AC though, so we're sitting here. More unpacking. Okay, this is our very first undocking. There's a breeze kicking up.
So I'm gonna have them do it from the cleat.
You know, huh?
I have to get this off the cleat.
No, up there.
No, I can't get it off, it's too tight. Clear back here. It's our first voyage into a storm, it looks like. That was tricky. We left the dock kind of a mess. Pretty tight turn. Captain Ed.
Our first cruise! Barely made it out!
Now we're up on the upstairs flybridge helm. Here's our dinghy. And here's the davit thing that puts the dinghy in the water for us.
Well, Allison's driving the boat. She's the captain right now. She's got her 2 nav screens going. She's taking us to Washington, North Carolina with a thunderstorm warning. So we came through this railroad bridge that's open, and we're heading into Washington Harbor. We are in Washington, North Carolina. It's a nice little park over there.
Did you say how old Washington is?
Washington's from the 1700s.
1760s, I believe.
And over there is a ribeye steakhouse that we ate at.
There it is.
And it's the city dock. Okay, we're at dinner. We did not film the anchoring process because our snubber is way too long and our anchor rope got jammed in the windlass. But after an hour we got anchored, and now we're having leftover salmon and scallops, and we are anchored in this anchorage in the Pamlico River. Back to port just fine with no incident. Got the anchor up, and Allison's doing a wash down to get the mud off that anchor. And it started raining and thundering and lightning. Okay, so we're in Chuckawinity, North Carolina at Cypress Landing, and we've finished our first few days on the boat and getting ready for the loop, and did some service and transmission oil change and filter change, and did a shakedown cruise last night, and went out on the hook and had dinner. Just kind of giving you a walk around the boat here. And we hope to be leaving in the next couple of days. We have to buy some supplies. We're going to spend the night on the hook tonight. Allison's grading papers for Institute, preparing an Institute lesson, and we're eating dinner, so we got a mess. Yes. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Nothing to say. Okay. Welcome to our first week's blog, America's Great Loop and Love Me Fender. It's a little tight quarters in this marina for this boat, but we got cast off. Heading out on the hook tonight. I'll tell you what, it is hot and muggy. 90 to 95 degrees, 90+% humidity. It is sticky. All right, we're gonna deploy anchor here. Allison's a pro.
No, I'm not. All right.
Slow and steady.
Okay.
Let me back up so it doesn't pile. Okay, our first night at anchor overnight, and it's sunset. We're right by the golf club, and it's big beautiful houses on the golf course. Over there is a sand trap and part of the fairway.